We've never mentioned it before, but with this one software, you can make $600 for free. This app will compensate you with $600. It's accessible on both iOS and Android, and downloading them is completely free. Now I'm going to show you two other apps in this video that have nothing to do with the third one. The first two apps will just pay you to install them. So now you know how to get the best outcomes and make the most money with those three apps. So the first two apps are basically going to help you get some passive money for free because, as I said, all you have to do is install them. So I'm going to show you those two apps, and then I'm going to show you the third app that we never talked about before, and that will pay you $600 for free. Before we go further to this video, welcome to The Money Increase, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Going back to the video, you must first create and have your own PayPal account before proceeding to the website. So you go to PayPal and sign up for a completely free account by clicking this link. Simply fill out the required information and log into your own PayPal account. If you don't want to use that option or do so, you can open your own bank account online by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a completely free account on the online banking website. With that said, I'm going to get right into my computer to explain everything, and before I show you the application that will actually pay you $600 for nothing, I just want to show you two more apps. So in total, I'm going to show you 3 different apps in this video. But first, I want to show you a few different applications that will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is install them and leave them alone. And then you get concentrate on the last topic I'm about to show you, where we can earn over $600 for free. By then, you'll have these two apps giving you a passive income for free. Yes, these first two apps will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is install them. Then I'll show you the third app, which will pay you $600 for free. As I previously stated, this is the first time we've mentioned it on the channel, so it's going to be a fantastic video, so make sure to stick around till the end. Money SMS app is the first site we're going to use. This is their official website, but we'll just install the app directly onto a smartphone device. Basically, how this works is that it's a free app that allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by the system and customers. And all you have to do is download it to your smartphone device, create an account, and it will send you some random messages. You don't have to reply to those messages. They literally have no value. There are simply numbers that you know, and you can delete them as soon as you receive them, but you will still get paid for each and every SMS that you receive. So no work is required. You'll receive the SMS possibly, and all you have to do is sign up for this app. And every day they'll give you fresh text messages, and you'll be paid for each message, as I mentioned. So basically you can come work here, read more about how it works, but keep an eye on the next website because this one is exclusively for Android. They'll function on both iOS and Android, but this one unfortunately only works on Android. If you don't have an Android device, you won't be able to make any money with the Money SMS app. Their app is exclusive to Android because only Android allows to read SMS messages. All you have to do is install it and get paid by their money-making app for receiving text messages. This is how secure their app is because it does not read any of your data, including private messages, and it only reads their own SMS, so they will not steal or read your messages. I've done a lot of research on this app, and people are really happy with the amount of money they're making with it, and they're really happy with how the system works because, as you can see, it's completely automated. You can earn money with the app without having to do anything. And they also have a really nice referral program where you can earn 30% of your referral's earnings if you refer a friend to this app and they sign up. Once they start making money for $100, you'll get $30 for free completely passively for the rest of your life. You'll be generating passive income from them. So sure, there is many different methods to produce passive revenue with the money. This SMS app is completely free. You'll never have to pay for it because it will always be. And you can read more about how it works. So basically sign up for automatic text messages and be paid for free. Here are some images of how the dashboard and app appears. I'm going to install the app and this is how it will look. This is your referral code, which you may give to your friends and family. You may also share it on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with various Facebook groups about making money online, telling them that they can make passive income from the app, and then sending them your referral link so that you can continue to get passive revenue from your referrals. As you can see, this app has a lot of good features. Is this a scam or legit? If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you may check the proof of payment for many users on an independent website right here. They take all necessary measures to guarantee that they comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy regulations. You can learn more about them on this website and you can see that people are making money from it. As I said, I've done a lot of research and this website works. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video thus far, and if you find this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now let's return to the video. The next step, which you may use to get some free passive income, is called Cash Magnet. Obviously, the app name is just a cash magnet and you'll install it on your Android phone. Again, this only works for Android, but keep watching because the last app will be available for both iOS and Android and I'll give you something for free at the end. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you can get money from your Android phone that pays you for every minute. So as you can see, you basically don't have to do anything because Cash Magnet combines all of the top reward programs you want to play. So this one is going to pay you a lot more than the Money SMS app. So we're moving from the lowest to the highest paying out. You can read more about it here. You don't have to do anything, so just watch advertisements or play games. Earnings will come in while you sleep or do something else. You could be eating your lunch, drinking outside, reading the news, or doing whatever else you do on a daily basis. Just do that every day and you'll still get paid for installing this application and leaving your phone out there. So expect to earn several times more after only a few months of working the Cash Magnet and you'll be able to buy a brand new phone that works for you around the clock. This is how tens of thousands of their happy customers do it so you can practically get a new phone. It is completely safe 2 months after you have used it, and they guarantee that your data and personal preferences will not be used in any way. You earn money by doing nothing with your phone. It's completely passive income so you can learn more about the Cash Magnet. App.com. This is an Android app that will let you earn some additional cash. You're not using your phone so you can simply leave it out there with the app installed and you will be earning passive cash with no effort on your part. If you don't want to put this on your personal phone, for whatever reason you might be able to use another device. You can put it on a device that you don't like to use, such as an old phone. Simply download the software to that old phone and it will generate passive income for you if you leave it out there. You don't have to use it at all. And if you put it on as many devices as you have in your home, you can earn even more passive income. It's also completely free. Again, all of these apps are completely free. There is no need to pay for anything. Now, the last app we'll be using is this one right here. In a moment, I'll tell you the name of the app. However, this one will pay you $600, allowing you to make up to $600 every year simply by listening to music. All you have to do is download this app on either iOS or Android, which is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. So there will be no complaints in the comments that it only works for Android or only works for iOS because this one works for both sides and you'll get paid for just listening to music. Install the application. Listen to music to gain additional points, and the more you play and listen to music, the more money you'll make. So basically you're getting paid to listen to music in your free time so you can browse and play from over 100,000 radio stations to find and listen to your favorite music while also getting paid to do so. so you don't have to listen to some random music from SoundCloud that you don't even like. You can actually listen to music that you enjoy and still get paid for it. I mean, I'm sure all of you already listen to music every day. Now you can get paid for doing that, and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, spending your points on your favorite brands, and much more. As you can see, this app is available in many countries and you can download it to your smartphone device and start earning money right away. As I previously stated, this app is available in the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Current US is the name of the app, so this is the website's name and this is the logo, which should look like this. Simply look for the current software in your Apple Store or Google Play Store and learn more about it. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further question, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.